Hello everyone. We are looking at questions from chapter Matrices, Phase 5, Exercise 2. We are at question number 8. Okay, so let us look at the question. The question is a matrix A is given to us and a function is given to us in terms of the matrix. And okay, so we have to find out the value of FA where X is basically, this is a question where matrix can be represented as a function. So if I just write down here what it is asking, so FA is nothing but 1 plus A. Now, if we have to convert this into matrix, then I think this is quite understood. I can be replaced with I. 1 can be replaced with I. So this is I minus. So we have to write. Now, the reason I chose this question is this looks like some multiplication question, but we already know that we cannot do multiplication. But this can be converted into, we can definitely find out the value where I minus A minus 1. All right. Now, this can be done only when I minus A is an invertible matrix. Now, we have not checked that, but let us just quickly check it. So, if A is this, then what is I plus A? What is I plus A and what is I minus? So, what is I plus A? If I can write I as 1, 0, 0, 1. Then we can see I plus A is 2, 2, another 2, and 2. So I plus A is 2 and I minus A. So I minus A is 0, 1. The corresponding elements are subtracted. And minus 2. And then 0 minus 2 is another minus 2 and 1 minus. Okay. So this is I minus A. And what will be the determinant of I minus A? We can see this is not equal to 0. So this is nothing but minus 4. So not equal to 0 means it can be invertible. It is an invertible matrix. So if it is invertible matrix, then we can write this as this. So there is a caveat here. Then we cannot simply write it like this. But exponent, we can write it. The division can be written as minus 1, where minus 1 is nothing but the inverse. Inverse should be first explored. So it can be inverted. So we will write it like this. After that, the question is simple. We have to find the inverse of this, then multiply this with this. Once we multiply, yes. So once we multiply this and whatever we get here, we can see after that it is simple. So I hope we know how to multiply, how to find inverse of I minus A. Then multiply with the inverse of I minus A and I plus A. And this is what you'll get. So after that, it's just a multiplication question. But here was the concept that this could be written like this only when this is invertible matrix. And that we have to quickly check by finding if it is non-singular. If this is non-singular, we can do this. So instead of this, we can obviously calculate this. And then I think calculation is pretty simple. So the answer is B here after this. Yeah. Thank you.